Colorado 1. Got a 2-hour delay. That's more time for plane spotting. Look at that. Also got a United 320, WestJet 737 in the back. There's United Max 9, Evo Blue. Bit of a Southwest 737-700. There's another United. Can't really see it, but there's a 737-800 back there, also Evo Blue. There's action going on over here. It just landed. Can't really see it, but there's a JetBlue A320 right there. It just landed. Oh, here's the other United 737-800 taking off. Jet bridge is in the way. There it is. Yeah, I saw that Colorado 1 and immediately jumped up. There's the JetBlue again, a little bit better here. There's the TBM taking off. Saw one of those land last night. Could be the same one. Here's the tower. It's really nice. I quite like this tower. Yeah. Oh, here we have a Frontier A320 taxiing in. There's a squirrel on it. Can't really get a great shot of it, but here's Colorado 1. I think what you saw before is the best it's gonna get. That's really cool. Gotta love Southwest, right? Got a Spirit 320 Neo taxiing in. There's something taken on. It's like a Citation. I should be getting a JetBlue 320 landing soon. I looked on Flight Radar and it says the status of our flight, which is delayed. The inbound flight coming in, it says it's unknown. So I wonder, I don't know if that plane ever left MSP, but not good. We're delayed by at least 2 hours now. Here it is. JetBlue 320. United 738, I think it's 738. Just landed in. It's JetBlue taxiing again. I don't think Southwest ever flies 757s. It's a little bit interesting. Got a Delta 321 over here. Taxiing in. Should be taxiing right by here.
Federal law now requires wearing a mask at all times while at RSW. Failure to comply may result in removal and denial of re-entry. Refusing to wear a mask while at RSW is a violation of federal law, and individuals may be subject to penalties.
Delta 739 just landed. I guess they'll also think Southwest flies MD-80s here at Bravo 4. I guess that puts into perspective really how long the MD-80 is. It's not what the 737s or A220s or anything. It's with the 757 up here at the front. Here's a Delta 737. That's a 738. I think I said it was a 739. That's a 738. Baggage cart. Oh, look at this. Here's the United 738 taxiing in. This is in the continental globe. Charlie 5's what's parking. What a beautiful aircraft. Yeah, we got United lineup down there. The 320, 737-800 continental globe, Max 9, and the 738 Evo Blue. 221's still there. So we just had another JetBlue 320 land. There it is. Now, I think because of the delay, I'm going to be late enough to be able to see the Eurowings Discover flight. I just realized Eurowings Discover, I've never seen them flying here before, so it might be an inaugural flight. Just to clarify, I just checked, the inaugural flight was a few days ago, but it's still a brand new service, so that's pretty cool. Spirit 320 Neo and a JetBlue 321 just landed in. Skipped ahead a little bit, got me some food because I'm going to be here for a while. So here's the United Max taking off. And United 319 just pulled in. I don't know where the Max is. Here's 319. I think you can see the Max a little bit there. Going into Charlie 3. A lot of United. Oh, there's this Sun Country coming in from Madison. I wish that was one going out to Minneapolis, but no. Just let me stuck here for a while. Here's a Spirit taxiing. Is that another Neo? I can't tell. It's just taxied away. Here's the Sun Country coming in from Madison. Shadow just came over, so landing's not that great. Still have yet to fly the new livery. Right next to Colorado 1. Had a great shot again. Back to the old window. Got the Spirit 321 right there. Spirit 320 Neo. I think that's an, yeah, it's gotta be a Neo. Engine looks big. I just saw the WestJet push back, so that should be taking off soon. There's the Frontier. Taking off. Frontier 320 Neo. Comes the WestJet. There it is. Taking off for Toronto. Oh, it's gone. Come on. Oh, there it is. All the way down there.